Alright guys, so I got this little Pro Street Vega in the other day to have a hood put on it and painted. And I'll walk y'all around and show you a little bit about it and show you what we're doing to it. 72 Pro Street Vega wagon. Customer brought it in wanting a hood put on it. It was built without a hood, and the car had been put together for a while, but he bought it with no hood and wants a hood put on it. So what I had to do is all this aluminum sheet metal was raised up to the point where you couldn't set a hood flush on it, so I had to drop all of this down in the front and the back. And then I took and built these rails for the Zeus fasteners for each side. It's going to have 3 on each side, and then it's going to have 1 on the front on each side somewhere around here. We can build these. They're notched out for the Zeus fasteners and all of that. I'm going to take some nut certs on the underside where they could be taken on and off if need be. I've got them fitted on here now, and I'm going to pull them back off, sand them and paint them, of course. And I've got them set down where the hood will set flush on the car now. It's a 6-inch cowl. Had to do a good bit of trimming on it to get it about right. I've got the back. I've got to trim it out for the windshield wipers. Still got to drill the holes for the Zeus fastener, but that's no big deal. And it's going to be color matched to the car, which is a yellow pearl. Got all of that here. Underside has been painted just flat black. And I've got some sponges to go on it so it can be set on the roof of the car. Got a few other little things to do to the car. I got to wire up the electric choke for him and just go over everything. It's a nice little car. Decent sounding little small block in it. Pretty nice interior, factory dash. 3321.5 Hoosier. Clean little car. I believe he said it came out of New York. Cool old school Pro Street car. We'll do an update video when I get the hood finished. I may do a paint video when I paint the hood. I'm going to paint match these rails to the car, so they'll be yellow pearl just like the rest of it, and they'll really blend in, you know, even when the hood's closed. Also got a 66 GTO in for a transmission swap and some other little stuff. Did some work on the car previously, and I'm going to go to, I believe, an overdrive transmission in it. I'll attach a picture of that car as well. Like y'all saw in the little clip I posted the other day, I about got the Mustang ready to go and make a few passes. Not going to give y'all too much, but here's a clip of it loading on the trailer. trying to get better with this YouTube stuff. If y'all like the content, like what I'm doing, like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And like I said, I'm trying to improve with each one I put out, and I'm gonna be putting out more and more as I can. And thank y'all for your support.